to understand about the different types of dimensioning and their styles in the AutoCAD. So for that, there is a one tool in the AutoCAD commands, that is dimension style. So you can just type DIMSTYLE, then so this will be displayed on the screen of AutoCAD. Now here you can go for modify. Okay, so this content, first it will customize for the lines, next symbols and arrows, text, fit, primary units, alternative units and tolerance. So now we'll discuss one by one what is the use of lines. So as you can see that there are two types of lines it will be used in the drawing. One, it will be the object line, okay. Another is the dimension line, this one, and this is the extension line. Okay, so this red color is the object line. Okay, so object line, anyhow, that is a separate case. We are discussing about only the dimension style and the elements of the dimension. So this is a dimension line. It means this one, 14.11 over the horizontal line, and at the end there are arrowheads. So dimension line, the color can be customized. If you want, you can change the color. Now the same color, the changed color can also be seen in this diagram. Color is changed for the dimension line, and you can change their thickness also, which whatever the type of line which have been loaded, all these lines you can be upload here. Okay, now line weight again. Okay, the thickness you can increase, you can check the changes also. Okay, so generally we'll go for very light weight of the line, the thickness, as we can say, and this is a baseline spacing between. Okay, spacing, like how it's changing, right, like this. Okay, now this is a dim line 1, dim line 2. Now the second one is extension line. So extension line is this line, white color line, or the extension line. So for the extension color also you can change. If you want blue color, then it changes to blue color, and their thickness again you can customize. Okay, so many other properties also added. You can just change and check the diagram what are the changes are going to be happening. Now next, symbols and arrows. So as you know that there are many types of arrowheads are there. So here by default it's taken as closed field one, but if you want you can get many number of uh, arrowheads are there. Open, this one is the open, and closed with fill, architectural dot, open. So many types, whatever the customer requirement is there, as per that you can change first one, second one. Okay, so the both you can change also, or one you can change, another at the another end, other option is also there, means both end can also be changed, customized. And leader, so generally this will be used for this circle type. Okay, so there, if you want you can change here, and arrowhead size also you can change. Okay, and center mark, so break size, all these can be customized. Next, text, this is about the size or value of the dimensions. Okay, their standards. And color, if you want to change into different colors, that can be changed. Fill the color, means if you want to keep this value in the box, again you can make it. Yeah, you can check there how it changed now, means for highlighting purpose. And where you want to fix whether center, left side, right side, at the one end, another end. All these possibilities are been done. Okay, so you can change as per the requirement. Then primary units again, how means their rotation, everything is given here. Alternative units, and this is about tolerance, means high level of engineering. Whenever some precision products are there, that type this can be applied. Okay, so this is very important to give the dimension. Now just cancel this, whatever I have made cancel, then close. Now you can check. I want to apply the radius for this circle. Shows the radius. See, the values are shown very small in size, so that's why we have to change the dimension. Like, again, select the dimension style, then go for modify. So I'm getting the values are very less, so you can change this text size as 5 mm. Now let us see how it is been changed. Like that, the values are changed. Huh? The size of the values are changed. Still, you can want, you can modify. Okay, now it's okay. As per the drawing size, you have to change as per the requirement. Okay, so thank you.